In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted task on Asana. Whether it was an accidental click or you find yourself needing to revisit old task information, knowing how to restore deleted tasks can be invaluable. This quick guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. To start, navigate to the Asana website and log into your account. You'll need to go to the login page where you'll see fields for your email and password. Here, enter your email address. After that, click on the Continue button. This will take you to the next step of the login process, entering your password. After typing in your password, proceed by clicking on Log In. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage, the central hub for managing your tasks and projects. Now that you're on your homepage, locate the search bar. This tool allows you to quickly find specific tasks or projects. Click on the search bar to open it up, and then click on Advanced Search. This option will allow you to refine your search parameters, which is essential for retrieving deleted tasks. Once in the Advanced Search menu, you'll want to focus on a few key filters. Start by selecting the type of item you're searching for. In this case, we'll be focusing on tasks. Then make sure to set the location to anywhere, ensuring that Asana searches across all possible projects and workspaces in your account. Next, adjust the status filter. Since we're looking for tasks that have been deleted, change the status to deleted. This setting is vital because it instructs Asana to pull up those tasks that have been moved to the digital trash bin, so to speak. With these parameters set, click on the search button to conduct the search. In the search results, you'll see a list of tasks that match the criteria you've specified. Look through the list and find the task you wish to recover. When you've located it, select that specific task. After selecting the task, look for the trash bin icon. This icon is integral to the undelete process. Clicking it will initiate the recovery process, effectively restoring the task to its original project. The task is now undeleted, meaning it will reappear in its previous context, and you can access all of its information as before. And there you have it, you've successfully recovered a deleted task in Asana. This process is straightforward once you know where to go and what options to select, and it can save you significant stress when important information seems lost. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget that these steps can be repeated whenever you need to recover any other tasks in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.